Do not try this at home, but I got the vacuum out like Extreme Billy the Exterminator. There's a whole bunch of bees, tons of them up there. I think I got most all of them. I vacuumed them bad boys up. There's one or two. There's a big one up there. I got to get him. But all these other ones are going to this nest. I hook this up, and all you do is grab a little of the wasp stuff. That's going to suck that in there. I've been spraying it in, but they go up getting near that nest. They're getting close to that thing. It sucks them right down in there. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but I got to watch it because see right there went one.